Everybody is asking me if the Wyze doorbell needs to have a doorbell already hardwired. And no, absolutely not. I don't have a doorbell. However, the box that hooks up to this has the ring on it. So when you hit the button, I'll show you in just a second. So here is what the camera looks like, literally. Hi. And then it chimes right here. All right, go ahead. My kids think it's very amusing. So anyway, I hope this answers your question. If y'all have any more questions about the Wyze doorbell, let me know. I absolutely love mine. You get package and person detection. It records, and y'all, I think it's like $20 a year to get all the recordings all in one place. So all your recordings will show up down here. Here's my daughter's little friend coming to see if she's home.
Hello, I'm so happy to see you.
So that way you can always keep tabs on what is going on in your home. I also have the Wyze cameras. If y'all want a video on that, let me know. I love the fact that you can look at the doorbell and the cameras all in one app. And they're affordable. Like, they're actually a really good price for the good quality that they are. So I'm going to link the doorbell right here. Y'all grab it up. It's on major sale. And check your coupons. Love y'all.